Do you have a special locket that won't stop falling open? Thankfully, there's a quick and easy way to fix this problem, and we're going to show you how in this video. If you do find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Like any object that can be opened and closed with a hinge, opening and closing repeatedly over time can gradually loosen the catches that hold a locket together. Generally, panels of a locket are held together firmly with a small pin and a hole that pin slots into, as well as hinges to allow the locket to open and close. Over time, these pins can naturally shift slightly from the locket being opened and closed, and may no longer line up with their intended position, leaving the panel slightly loose or falling open. To fix this, all you need to do is adjust these little pins so that they line up correctly with their intended holes. You can do this with a small pair of pliers. Gently move the pin using the pliers, making small adjustments as you go. You may find that you need to adjust the pin a few times before it's in the right position. Be careful not to get too close to the surface of the locket itself in case of scratches. It won't require a great deal of force to move the pin. It's also worth doing this in a well-lit space so that you can see the pin and the corresponding hole clearly as you make micro adjustments. Once the pin is in the correct position, it should make a click sound when you press the panels of the locket together. You'll also notice there is now a much firmer hold between the panels. This same technique can be applied to any other locket with this style of catch. We hope you found this video useful, and make sure to subscribe for more jewellery styles and tips.